Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will discuss about how to reset network settings and network related issues in this device. Okay friends, let's get started. For this, go to settings, then scroll down. At the bottom you can see the option system. Tap on this one, then tap on the option advanced, then tap on the option reset options. Then here you can see the option reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on this one. This will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth. So if you tap on this reset option, this will solve the Wi-Fi related issues, mobile data related issues and Bluetooth related issues also. For this, tap on reset settings, then again tap on reset setting. You can see network settings has been resetted. So simply in this way you can reset network settings and network related issues in this device. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.